It's been a long time kneading, man. I'm tired, I'm hot, and I'm sweaty in this Houston weather. But I got the Meat Slinger cleaned up. And if you want to know how I did it or what I did, pressure sprayer, baby. Pressure sprayer is a lifesaver, and some putty knives right there. Look at that. Putty knives, pressure sprayer. Pulled all my grates out, leaned them up, and lined them up along the fence over here. There's my pressure sprayer. And I hit them hard, man. I took all the gunk off, everything off of them. Even got my grease pan out there, cleaned it up. Got my heat shield out there, cleaned it up. My grates are now clean. There's no meat, no gunk, no nothing on them. There's still a little bit of seasoning on there. I didn't want to get them down to the bare metal. Some places did, some places didn't. But again, I don't want to get them down to the bare metal. I'm gonna come back and fire this sucker up because we're cooking briskets and ribs today and sausage. But I even cleaned the inside now. You're like, how'd you do that? With a fire pot down there and all the electronics. Well, I got the Smoke Daddy cover. That's on there to protect the hopper from getting pressure sprayed on accident. And I covered this with a heavy duty long trash bag. I just basically sleeved it. And I used as little of water as possible, but just enough to wash it clean inside. And then I shot back the bottom out with a wet vac. And now I'm fixing to fire it up. And my oldest son, Adam's inside prepping briskets and ribs right now. He wants to go old school today, so we're gonna fire up the offset on my Meat Slinger hybrid. And we're gonna run that for 4, 5, 6 hours. Hell, we may go all day. It just depends on how we feel. But probably gonna keep this going for 3, 4, 5 hours and then go hit the pool while this finishes it up. And there's my Meat Slinger at my house, y'all. So that's how I cleaned it, man. A lot of people want to know how I clean my pits. That's how I clean the Meat Slinger for dang sure. It's a big ass pit, man. That's a lot of racks. I've been doing this now, I don't even know what time it is, but it probably took me an hour and a half to do all this. I've got the old school, one of the original Meat Slingers. So I've got some internal designs that the new Meat Slingers don't have now, because I realized what worked and what didn't work on mine. And mine, after this cook, is going to get loaded on a trailer and head back to the shop and get what my current customers are getting on their Meat Slingers, because they have the best of the best on the more current models that are probably, I'd say, year and a half old. This one's been around a while. So I'm going to load it up probably this week, haul it to my shop, and have my guys do a few things to it to update it with the new designs. But absent that, or other than that, this thing is awesome. I love it. I mean, it is right now my favorite damn pit, because it does cook pellet and or offset or both. I can run them all at the same time and chug all day long and get that really wood burning smoke when I'm cooking, and just let the hopper finish it out. I've got a customer that owns a barbecue joint here in Houston. He runs both at the same time. He sets that at 225 and runs his hopper. Runs his hopper at 225, fires his firebox up at his restaurant. He's got 2 of these. He fires them up each morning, early in the morning, gets them going. And he says that to him is the best way to cook on these, is running both at the same time for that real wood log right there smoked. That's a big pellet. So my Meat Slinger takes big pellets. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna get going because I got a brisket to get on, and some other foods. And it's probably at least, I don't know, 1 o'clock right now, and I'm late. There's Blue helping me out right there. Everybody knows my dog Blue. Hi, Blue. Say hi to everybody, Blue. That's my big German Shepherd. Sweet girl. Talk to you guys later. Y'all have a great weekend, man. It's Saturday, I think the 8th today. It's my birthday weekend, and I'm just chilling. This is what I'm doing on my birthday weekend, guys. I'm 57 years old now. I'm getting old, and I'm feeling it. See y'all.